some point, but if you want to go to bed, you can. If you take your phone number.
I know, I won't be going to bed.
No?
Not yet.
You'll have a knock when you're out.
Yeah, I'll be around.
It's probably going to be early hours, you see. Like, early hours, maybe like 3. We'll see.
Yeah. What were they, you actually put a whole cable in tonight?
Yeah, it's all going to be done tonight.
Alright,
We're
okay.
staying until it's dug. Then we'll stay with them while they're putting the new cable in. You get a brand new cable, everything's brand new, so it'll be good. And then they just need to come inside to make sure that it's all
Connect
good.
it back up, whatever.
Yeah.
That's going to be the difficult part, getting it straight, I think.
Yeah, they know what they're doing. No, they'll be absolutely fine. I'm not sure whether they're going to just join it straight onto here and then keep that going. I'm not too
for
sure.
Tonight. Yeah, seems like a better idea, doesn't it?
The problem is there. That's where we found the fault in the end.
Oh, okay, yeah, there.
Got more guys on now digging as well.
Oh, okay.
To the other side. Is it stiff? $600? 600?